and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. It is a massive haul, and I have some fall items, and I'm super excited to share them with you. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michawn, and I do weekly DIYs, hauls, and other fun things. If you're not new, hey doll, hey. All right, let's just go ahead and jump right in. So the first few items, I think I'm going to start with the fall items first because I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited about getting my DIYs out to you guys, but I wanted to start with these florals that I found. And I did not find these at my Dollar Trees last year. And they are these cotton bouquets with these pine cones and these other little things. They're so cute. I really like them. Next, for fall, I saw these were really cute. They had them last year, but these are two new colors that I didn't see last year. So this first one, it says Pumpkin Kisses Harvest Wishes, and it has this neutral like cream color. So pretty. And then this one is like a teal color. It says Eat, Drink, and Give Thanks. So pretty. I really love the color on this one a lot. So I already know kind of what I want to do with these. I've done something with these wood pumpkins last year for fall, and I will have that up in this little ribbon, I guess you would call it, up there for you to check that out. I really like them, but these are so cute. I got 4 of them, and I only got these colors because I already have the colors from last year, and I didn't want to get them again because I already have them. So yeah, and then next, what I found was new at Dollar Tree this year are these cute little letter monogram pumpkins. They have them in the classic orange and then this wood brown tan looking color. Obviously A for Amber, J for Joseph, my husband. But I really do like these. I'm gonna keep searching the Dollar Trees that I go to see if I can find any more in this color with my kid's name and my husband's name. I only got this just to show you guys the different colors that they do have and how it looks, but I really prefer these a lot more. And then next, I'm moving on to some more pumpkins. They have these cute, I don't know if they're ceramic, maybe they are, but they're different colors, and I like them because if you can see close up, you can see a engravement of leaves on the front of them. They're so pretty. I love these fall colors. These, I'm not really too into like the oranges and the bright reds and like just the deep orange. I'm really going more towards like these greens and these blues for fall, but I really like this brown one too, because it's just not, it's a classic color, but it goes really well with the other colors that I like. And of course I got a white one just to cut down so much of the color. But yeah, and then next I found these. I already know what I'm going to do with these. These are so cute. They're little, yeah, they're called tumblers. You can put your coffee or any kind of drinks, water, any juices. This one says Happy Harvest and it's orange. And then this one says Sweater Weather. This is by far my favorite. So I think for fall, that might be it. Nope, I lied. I found these pumpkin clips. They have these again at Dollar Tree. I went to 5 Dollar Trees. If you know me, you know, and you've seen my videos, you know that I have to go to multiple Dollar Trees to find anything really, like a complete set of something. This time I went to 5 Dollar Trees over the course of 2 days, and this is what I came up with. Not a lot of my Dollar Trees or any of the Dollar Trees near me have a lot of fall stuff out. The main thing that they have out are like their florals and some off-end stuff. So that's what I'm kind of showing you. They don't have like the crafting stuff, like the wood cutouts. They don't have like the wreaths or anything yet. So just gonna have to wait and do another haul when they come in. And then this is gather. I found this word. I was so excited that I found this. I saw a home sign there as well, but it was broken, and I know I could have just easily fixed it, but I didn't want to have to go through the hassle of that. I was just like, oh, I can go back and find it. So I just stuck with getting Gather, and I already know what I'm going to do with this one. I'm super excited. That video should be out soon. Then next, I think that's all for fall that I did pick up that my Dollar Trees did have. One other thing for like decor, I found these cute houses. Now I know Target's Dollar Spot has these a lot, but for just $1, finding these at Dollar Tree, I really like. This one says welcome, this one says home sweet home. They have another one, I can't remember what the saying was, but the house was really funky looking and I didn't really like it, so there wasn't anything I was going to decorate or change it with. So I'll probably change this one, but I really like this one because I like the saying. So yeah, that was good to have. And then I found this little placemat. It says home sweet home. I have not seen a placemat like this at any of my Dollar Trees before. They typically have like just the plain colors or like plaids or stripes or something. My Dollar Trees don't really have like these cute little things, so I was excited to find that. Okay, so for in their crafter section, I found these stickers. Now I know it's not that exciting, but I like these stickers because they are normal font size. So they're just a basic like shape that you would have that you can put on whatever you are decorating. So I really appreciated that I could find this and nothing that was just a funky, wonky shape. I mean, font. I like those kind of things, but I really just wanted something really basic, and I'm glad I found those. And also in their crafter section, my Dollar Trees just got in these wood beads that are these like oval shapes. I really like these and have an idea of what I want to do with them already. I hear a lot of crafters say that these beads and these beads are hard to paint, but since it's fall, for some of my fall fun DIYs, I'm just going to use the colors as is, except for the pinks. But I think that would be really fun to do instead of having to go through the hassle of painting them and they're already the color that you need for fall. Why not, right? And Christmas when it comes time. So yeah, thought that was fun to have. And then I got some of these chunky brushes. This will help with like my distressing and my dry brushing. So yeah, and then I got 2 of these metallic markers. One is like a rose gold, one is a gold. And like I said, my Dollar Trees are really late getting stuff. I feel like everybody says that, but really. So I picked these up because I want to do some things with those. And then, oh, it's like, oh, these sponge brushes. I'm super excited about these to do. I've been galvanizing a lot of stuff lately, and these will definitely help get the job done a lot faster and maybe a little bit cleaner. So super excited about that. And then I finally found these fashion gems. I finally found them. Now I use a lot of like different gems, like those sparkly gems. I used one in my last DIY where it was just like a kind of like a yellow tint or whatever, but I'm really excited about these because they have they're like pearls, so they're like half a pearl, so they go on a little bit nicer and they look nicer because they're just closer together. I don't know, but I'm excited that I found these because there's stuff that I've been wanting to do with things like these when I've seen a bunch of people have them. So got that. And then I am so excited about these next few things. So these are like home decor essential things. I found this gold basket. You guys, how cute is this? It was the last one left at this particular Dollar Tree that I went to. I went to another Dollar Tree and they had several more, and they also had like a tray, a gold tray. But these you would only see, I feel like I had glitter all over my face. These you would only see like blue, red, pink, orange, black colors, but having these gold ones, so cute. And I already have an idea of what I want to do with them, but I want to keep the gold showing because I love gold and rose gold, anything. Next, I found these kind of, are these like they could be shadow boxes, like if you decorate them a certain kind of way. But these signs, they're mainly for your wedding. This says we are getting married, and this was welcome to our wedding. So I got them mainly because I like the print on the front. I do some wedding planning and coordinating, so it's always good to have them on hand when needed. But I mean, as crafters, we usually use the back side of these. But I really love this this buffalo check or gingham pattern, whichever you prefer of the word. I really like this, so that's mainly why I got them, is because of the print on the front. You can always cover the saying, but I thought these were really cute. And then I found these houses. Last year I could not find these houses to help save my life, but I finally found these little houses. I got 6 of them because they come in 3 different shapes. So this is like a short fat one, this is like a regular size, and then this tall one. So I'm really excited that I found these because I already have ideas on what I want to do with them and just have fun with them. I haven't been able to find the houses that have like the gather sign and home and all that stuff with like the twine and whatnot. Haven't been able to find those. Maybe I will soon, but I'm not gonna hold my breath on it because I can just change these to make them look like that, right? Then after that, I have some more of these little, I don't know what it's called, table decor stuff. But I already know what I want to use with these. I bought these because they're a really good shape, and because I already know what I want to do with them, I thought that that would be fun to show. So, I mean, I think it's really cute as is for like room decor for a kid or something, right? So yeah. Then next, I found, these cute little, they call them messenger bags. So they have like a strap that is on the inside for them. I think it's cute for like a teenager or like a preteen for, you know, like their first purse if they're into this kind of style. But I really like the pattern on the front. I got 2 of them. I'm heading into like doing some boho things, and I thought this was super boho, and I already know what I want to do with these. So that's fun. Next, I found, I never really go to Dollar Tree to buy like stuff in like the beauty section, but this time I did because your girl is still self-quarantining. I haven't been much of anywhere except for the grocery store and Dollar Tree and things like that, but I haven't been to like get my hair done. I haven't been to get my nails done. So I bought this stuff. First, this is a jade facial roller. I will let you know how this works out if it feels good, because I mean it's only $1. But I thought it was really cute. I mean, it's just a cute, fun, like marble look to it. And then I got this foot mask because I definitely need a pedicure like uber bad. So I will probably do a review video on this and see how that works. So I'm actually really excited about that. And this, you know, us ladies know, and anybody that gets a pedicure, really, this is like heaven from above when they file down that heel and the side of that big toe. You know what I'm talking about. So I got this so I can attempt to do my own pedicure at home. One of my friends, she got me, and a couple of our girlfriends got this like pedicure set, but it's like just like a file, clippers, and scissors. So I'm about to go all in on my toes to do that because, honey, you don't want to stay down there at them feet. So excited about that. Then next, I only have a few things left. I went through this kind of fast, but it was so much stuff. I found this huge coffee mug. Look at how big this is. I love this. First of all, I love this color. If they had like pink or purple, I probably would have got that, probably the purple one. But for fall, I'm really loving these shades of blues and like turquoises and stuff. I don't know if those are fall colors, but those are the colors that I'm really into right now. And this is like, I honestly think this might be 2 cups of coffee for me in the morning. I already have 2 cups in the morning anyway, so this will just make me feel better by saying I only had 1, right? So yeah, love, 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 love this. The last few things I got just to spruce up the house a little bit more, but I got a bunch of candles, and these two are my favorite only because of the way they look. So they're this like succulent plant. This one says love grows here. This one says live what you love. So cute to like decorate with. And then you get something that smells good too. You know, honestly, I don't know if these have a scent. Now that I think about it, and I didn't open it to see, I just really liked it. I don't really care, they just look really cute. The next couple of candles I got, this honey vanilla from Old Williamsburg. I really like this, mainly because it says mason on the front, so it's like a mini mason jar. So cute. And it smells really good. And then this one is bergamot ginger scented candle. It has lemons on it, and you know, I don't really know what it smells like, but I really liked it only because of the color of the glass. This pink peach ombre color I really like. And then I got this peaches and cream from Old Williamsburg. It smells just like peaches. It's great. I love the way that it looks with, it has like this coffee like lid on top. The look of it, so cute. Really like it, mainly because it smells great. And then this last one, I love it because of the saying on the front. It says faith moves mountain, Matthew 17:20, and it smells really good. The fragrance is sun bleached woods, and it just is a really pretty like glass pattern. So yeah. All right, that's all I have today for this massive Dollar Tree haul. If you enjoyed it, and hopefully you find some of these items in your local Dollar Trees, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, as it definitely helps out my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you're notified every time that I upload. All right, dolls, I will see you on the next one. Bye!